Hello, guys, welcome to my channel Unlearn and Learn. You will find programming concepts, data structures, algorithms, and fun stuff. Programming, coding, everything will be coming soon. Stay tuned and do watch.
So welcome to the next video of Go. We will talk about Go routine in this one, and this is much desired topic in Golang. So let's get started. In Go, there is a concept of Go routine. It is like a function call like differ. So here we use Go instead of differ function call, and it is asynchronous, meaning the function will execute in background on a different Go routine. To give you some background, the main function also runs on a goroutine. So main will run on different goroutine, and the function in front of which we have wrote go will run on another goroutine. We will see that in a bit. As soon as we write go in front of any function call, it will create a different goroutine as we speak and then execute it on that one. So in layman term, you can think of goroutine as lightweight thread. There can be thousands of goroutine on one CPU thread. Now we will see how to execute a goroutine. First we'll say printing from main go fmt dot println and printing from go routine. So we'll execute this now. Here we can see that we have written go in front of this. As it is executed in another go routine, it is not printing it. So printing from main is printed but not from go routine. So what we'll do is we'll just say time dot sleep and time dot millisecond into 15. We'll just run this again. Yeah, so now we have waited for it to print. So basically this is a way to wait for program to execute. After this will halt at this line for about 50 milliseconds, and then the program will exit. Before that, this print statement is executed from go routine. So yeah, this is about go routine. So now we will see some other applications of the same. One more application of go routine, and that is I is less than 5, I plus plus. I'm declaring a for loop. I will execute go routine in for loop, and here I will declare one anonymous function, so that will be executed in here. So to be sure that this all the go routines that are in for loop that we have declared are executed, we'll use wait group. So we'll just see how the wait group, basically we are passing I to this function and then printing it. So now we will use wait group from sync package, and then we have wait group. So yes, now what we'll do is there are different functions in wait group, so we'll make use of that and I will explain about them once we have written the code. So here wait group dot done we'll do, and next we'll do wait group dot wait. So there are three functions in wait group. First is adding, so we are executing one goroutine here, so we'll add 1, and similarly we will add till 5, so counter will become 5, and it will wait for the counter to become 0, and this will decrement the counter. So this is how this program will get executed. We'll remove this line for now so that we'll understand just the wait group and goroutine, how they execute. So we can see the output 4, 0, 3, 1 and 2. Here we can see that the order of the execution of that is not guaranteed. So if I run it once again, we might see a different output. So see, here we have seen 4 first and then we have seen 0 first. So the order of execution is not guaranteed, but all of them have executed, like 0 to 4, all of them are there. So because of wait group, this is executed. So we'll see one more implementation for the same. So we'll say var a is int equals to 5, and then we will just copy this anonymous function and this here, and then let's remove this, and it doesn't accept anything for now. Let's just execute it. Basically I'm trying to print a inside of this anonymous function. This will print a's value and take it from closure. So basically this is a closure, and we are using a's value here. So what we are doing is we are executing an anonymous function. Inside of that we are referring to a that is declared in main, right? So this is being taken from the main function to this function, which is a closure. So we will see the output now. Yeah, so we have written go in front of that, but we have to wait for that. We'll just wait for that using wait group. Just wait group dot add 1, and then we will say here wait group dot done, and wait group dot wait. As we have seen this, it is now we will wait for this goroutine to execute. Yeah, so we can see the 5 is being printed here. All right, so this is taken from the closure, basically from the main function to this function, and this is what we call a closure. So we will see one more concept around this now. So as we have seen that there are CPU threads, now we will see how many CPU threads my system has. My system has dash number of CPU threads. So we can do one thing here. I will just say star v and runtime dot go max from -1. So this will give me the value of number of threads present in this one. So I have 12 number of CPU threads in my system. So these are the number of CPU threads, And as we have seen, there are thousands of goroutines that can run on one CPU thread. You can see the magnitude of this one. So basically, we can have many goroutines in one program to basically do our asynchronous stuff using that. So basically, we need to understand more on this concurrency concept. We will touch base on that if we the time permits. But for now, you should understand that the concept of goroutine is vast as we are touching on concurrency. So yes, we need to learn about concurrency before using these goroutines, and there are different books that are there on Go concurrency. You can check them out. I will put the link in the description box for that link or the book which is needed, and I will put this code in the repository. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.
Thank you so much for watching the video. Do like, share, and subscribe. See you soon.